Apple cider vinegar is basically apple juice with yeast added to it. The yeast turns the sugar found in the apple juice into alcohol through a process called fermentation. The alcohol is then turned into acetic acid by bacteria, giving apple cider vinegar its sour taste. Apple cider vinegar has a plethora of health benefits, and you can consume it by adding it to salads, cooking and baking with it, or just taking it as is. However, you should never drink apple cider vinegar straight, as it can erode your teeth and cause heartburn. You should always dilute the vinegar in a cup of water or other liquid. Just bear in mind that it will alter the taste of your drink. Now that we know what apple cider vinegar is and how to take it, let us dive into its many benefits. Apple cider vinegar improves digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar with meals helps digestion by increasing the acid production in your stomach. Higher levels of acid means food can be properly broken down, which leads to improved digestion. Apple cider vinegar reduces bloating. If you feel bloated, all you need to do is add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it. If you can't stomach the taste, you can try tea instead of water or even apple cider vinegar capsules that can be found at the pharmacy. Apple cider vinegar helps with heartburn. This might sound counterintuitive, but drinking apple cider vinegar can help balance the stomach's pH levels by neutralizing stomach acids. This should help with acid reflux and heartburn. Apple cider vinegar makes you feel fuller. Several human studies show that consuming apple cider vinegar leads to an increased feeling of fullness, leading to fewer calories being consumed during meals and subsequently helping with weight loss. Apple cider vinegar lowers cholesterol. Due to its antioxidant properties, apple cider vinegar taken before meals can help reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol levels. Apple cider vinegar improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar contains alpha-linoleic acid, which has been found to reduce the risk of heart disease in women. In addition, apple cider vinegar can lower blood pressure levels, protecting the heart even further. Apple cider vinegar lowers blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar helps blood pressure by controlling renin, a hormone produced by our kidneys that is responsible for dilating and constricting blood vessels. Apple cider vinegar keeps the vessels relaxed, which means that blood pressure will not rise. Apple cider vinegar improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels. Some small studies done on healthy adults show apple cider vinegar is great for improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar response after meals. A small study found that vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% during a high-carb meal. Apple cider vinegar has anti-aging properties. Apple cider vinegar has alpha-hydroxy acids which help remove dead skin cells and reveal healthy, glowing skin. It also helps in minimizing fine lines, wrinkles, and removing age spots. Remember, always make sure to always dilute apple cider vinegar before using it on your skin. Apple cider vinegar improves the health of your hair. Using apple cider vinegar as a hair rinse has been shown to help strengthen hair and improve luster by lowering the scalp's pH levels. It can also help with infections and dandruff, keeping itchiness at bay. In order to use apple cider vinegar, you should dilute a tablespoon in enough water to cover your whole hair. After shampooing, add the mixture to your strands and scalp, massaging well for a couple of minutes, then rinse. Apple cider vinegar helps reduce acne. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic, citric, lactic, and succinic acid, all of which have been shown to kill the bacteria responsible for causing acne. You can add apple cider vinegar to the affected area 1 to 2 times a day. Let sit for a few seconds and rinse well with water. Make sure to dilute the vinegar as not to cause burns to your skin. 1 part apple cider vinegar to 3 parts water should be fine for most people. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to add more water. Apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss. A study done on 175 obese people found out that consuming apple cider vinegar daily led to reduced belly fat and weight loss. The study went on for 3 months and the participants lost an average of 3.7 pounds total by taking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily. If you want to try incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet for its health benefits, just add 1 to 2 tablespoons to a glass of water or tea and drink it, preferably in the morning if your stomach does not get upset from the acid, or before a meal if it does. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos on healthy living every week.
you.